wireless proximity key fob. You have to use the buttons to lock and unlock. When the driver's door is opened, the company logo and a welcome design for the driver appear on the digital displays. To start, press the brake and hit the start-stop button. Adaptive electric steering wheel with multifunction controls, manually tilted and telescoped. Electronic G-tronic 9-speed dual-clutch DCT transmission. All the way down for drive. Pull the pedals twice to activate manual shifting. Half push-up for neutral and all the way up for reverse. A rear camera and the parking aids appear on the screen. Now let's turn on the adaptive automatic headlights and the rear fog lights. Let's turn on the hazards. All windows are automatic with the second press of the buttons. A warning chime that the key is out of the vehicle and it is still running. The E-Class is considered one of the most reliable cars in the world, and the new facelift W213 has achieved records in the AJD power reliability tests, which include safety, security, the engine, transmission, vehicle structure, and the interior cabin. According to auto experts in California, the E-Class can never rust for more than 30 years due to excellent insulation of the chassis and the car metal body. Much comes clear from the phrase of the famous Mercedes advertisement that says, "The best or nothing." The length of the car is 4.9 meters. It's 1.8 meters wide, and the total weight is 2.3 tons. The structure of the vehicle includes 3 longitudinal columns from A to C. The wheel size is 20 inches from AMG, equipped with Michelin tires. And the suspension system is adaptive according to the driving mode. LED tail lights. The trunk of the vehicle has a capacity of 540 cubic liters. Now let's check the engine. The vehicle's engine is a 4-cylinder diesel 1.6-liter turbo rear-wheel drive and generates 160 horsepower and 360 Nm of torque. The tank has a capacity of 50 liters, and the company says that the car consumes only 4.7 liters per 100 kilometers. The driver's seat has 4-way electric adjustments and 2-way manual, and 4-way lumbar support. I'm 1.8, and after adjusting the driver's seat to fit me, I have excellent legroom and excellent headroom as well. Armrest with little storage and cup holders. Now let's review the luxury interior features after 37 years of research and development for the E-Class, which has started back in 1985. The center screen can be controlled through the steering wheel. It can also be controlled through the center touch panel, as well as through the screen itself. Radio screen and safety channels. Swipe up and down to control the volume. Multimedia and audio input source. Comfort screen, which includes interior ambient lighting with more than 72 colors and all its various characteristics and preferences, such as brightness, color combinations, and lighting methods. The information screen includes the vehicle information, engine, fuel consumption, and it contains the user manual booklet. The applications screen includes operating systems update, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, settings screen. It includes systems, lighting, car and a driving aids screen, camera and parking, traffic lights reading, anti-collision brakes, driver attention monitoring, traffic lights and blind zones, etc. Automatic air conditioning to be controlled through these buttons. Or by saying,
I'm feeling hot.
I'm reducing the temperature on the driver's side to 21 degrees.
Turn off air conditioning.
The air conditioning is switched off.
If you tell it to turn off the air conditioning, the car will only turn off the air conditioning and the fan will remain active.
Turn on climate control.
Air conditioning is turned on.
Raise and lower the volume, voice commands, answer the phone and the favorite screen. Here are the shortcut keys for different screens. Storage area with Type-C input, cup holders. Here you can control the dynamic driving modes. It includes 4 modes: comfort, economy, sport, and customizable mode. Parking sensors, rear camera and automatic parking. Instructions will appear on the screen to park the car in the right place completely automatic, even without using the brakes. Audio volume wheel, center screen on-off button, armrest and storage space with Type-C input, on the left side you can control the driver's screen and to change the way it is displayed in several patterns. It contains almost all the menus of the central screen. It is possible to move to the right and left to control any section of the digital screen. Here is the adaptive cruise control. Activate the system from here, press set to control the speed, and the speed of the car will deaccelerate and accelerate according to the movement of the vehicle in front. Wipers control and spray water. The driver's seat is heated 3 stages. One-click automatic sunroof. Sun blind with mirror and automatic lighting. And with this, we have come to the end of our in-depth visual review of the 2021 Mercedes E200D Facelift. Thanks indeed for tuning in and for your kind support.